Before a lot of butthurt people just go into the comment section and just type up, Bara, you have no confirmation that he has a Tenseigan. How do you know? The manga hasn't leaked it yet. What are you talking about? I'm only giving facts upon why he would have the Tenseigan, and I will give more facts upon why he would not have the Tenseigan in another video I will probably be dropping later this week. But this is basically just to give the average viewers reason upon why he would have the Tenseigan and why he wouldn't have the Tenseigan. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Reason number one that he would have the Tenseigan is that someone who has a Tenseigan would need chakra from the Otsutsuki clan and the Hyuga clan, and we know that Boruto has both. One fact that we absolutely know is that Hinata is from the Hyuga clan, which is Boruto's mother. So Boruto is part of the Hyuga clan and he does have Hyuga chakra. One thing is to be noted from Hinata is that Hinata is from the main branch of the Hyuga clan, which means that she's top tier. And as you guys remember in part 1, when Neji really had to protect Hinata just because of the sheer fact that Hinata was from the main branch, it really didn't look like Neji had to protect Hinata, because as you guys know in the Chunin exam, Neji almost killed Hinata, but he really had to protect Hinata before that just because of the sheer fact that she was part of the main branch. Now, another fact that we all know is that Naruto has chakra from the Otsutsuki clan, which means that Boruto would have chakra from the Otsutsuki clan. Naruto gained chakra from the Otsutsuki clan when he got the chakra from the Sage of Six Paths. That really helped Naruto fight Madara and in turn fight Sasuke, which is kind of crazy, but that's a topic for another video. So because of that, we know that Boruto does have chakra from the Otsutsuki clan and he does have chakra from the Hyuga clan. Fact number 2 is the fact that they kind of look alike. Now, a lot of people have been thrown off because of the sheer fact that Boruto's eyes have the scarlet. But the thing about the scarlet is that a lot of people have been saying that Boruto has a pre-Tenseigan, which makes him not have the full Tenseigan, which makes it like kind of look like Tenseigan but kind of not look like Tenseigan, which makes it have the black scarlet. But the thing about the actual pupil of the Tenseigan is that the pupil has ripples in it. Now when we see a close-up of Boruto's eyes when he fought Rock Lee, Boruto's eyes also had ripples in it. Now if you guys look back to the Naruto, the last movie, when Tonetti had Tenseigan, Tonetti had ripples in his pupils as well, which means that they kind of look alike. This is kind of a minor detail, but still it looks alike. Now we know that dojutsus like that don't really have to be spot on identical, because as we know, Nagato's Rinnegan really looks different from Sasuke's Rinnegan, so it really doesn't have to look extremely identical. It's not spot on identical, but it does have to have some sort of traits as well. Reason number 3 is the reason that Boruto will be fighting high level competition. Now don't get me wrong, Naruto fought high level competition or good level competition, but compared to the Otsutsuki clan, it's not extremely high level competition. Now when we talk about the Akatsuki clan and we talk about the Otsutsuki clan is on a totally different level. And for Boruto to even compete with people from the Otsutsuki clan, he would have to have an extremely good dojutsu. He'd have to be training with that dojutsu a lot. If he's going to be taking on people like Kaguya, Momoshiki, people like that, he definitely needs to have an extreme power boost, and he definitely needs to know how to use whatever the power boost is or his dojutsu. And to be really strong, he would definitely need to have that Tenseigan or another extremely strong dojutsu. Another thing to note is the fact that Boruto does lose the presumably Tenseigan a lot. Now we know that in the movie Naruto the Last, Tonetti did lose his Tenseigan, and we don't know if he got it back. I'm pretty sure he didn't get it back, but the thing is with the Byakugan, once you have the Byakugan, you can't lose the Byakugan, if that makes sense. Boruto would not have the Byakugan. It's more likely that Boruto would have the Tenseigan just because of the sheer fact that it doesn't stay in his eye. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Does he have the Byakugan? Does he have the Tenseigan? What do you think he has? What do you think he doesn't have? And it's been your boy Barbie, and we out.
For my city, I'm the youngest nigga reppin'. Oh my god, oh my god. If I die, I'm a legend. Oh my god, if I die, I'm a legend. I'm a first.